The potential in this body of water is incredible and it's unpredictable, and it's time to go find the big girls that we're looking for.
He's not too big, but holy fuck.
Good.
Nah, I can grab him.
Wasn't it?
No, I'll grab him.
Got a claw anyway.
Yeah, that's a qual.
Alright, so welcome back to day 8 of the quest for the Tartan. We're out here on a pretty cold morning. Just pulled up into a bay that we had some luck in yesterday, and we've got, I don't know, 4 or 5 fish in here already. This is our first qual of the day. Nice 8-pound, 7-ounce fish. Not exactly what we're going for. We're looking for a bit bigger, but good start to the day, and hopefully this little cold front that's coming in is gonna bring some big fish on. We'll get her back in the water and keep fishing. They're absolutely lethargic when it comes to this cold water in the spring. It takes them a little bit to go off, but that's what we're looking for.
Oh, that's a bigger fish. That was a bigger fish. There's a little guy. That's not him, but that's a little other guy. There she is. I think that's the big one.
All right, so second qual fish of the day. We just got it was what is it, 15 pounds in the net? So that's a 12-pound fish. So it's second qual fish, nice 12-pounder. Big red cutter on a nice little swim bait. So this, I think this bay's bumping. I've seen a couple higher teens than I think. So they're nice fish, and then we just bagged that one. So we're gonna get a little video of her, and then we'll get a release of her, and hopefully we can get that big high teen fish and just get the day rolling.
There she is. Nice little 12-pound fish. Good little start day. What do you think, Red?
Looks good.
Yeah. Get her back in. Let's get that big girl. Down she goes, right to the depths. The Johnson Silver, it's a good minnow, but that's a good one.
You gotta hit it just right, don't you?
Yeah. Oh, another good one. He's around still. That's another big 12, 13 pounder.
Yeah, they have to get it right in the right spot to set the hook on them. But they have like a great wobble. They draw such attention. Like there's so much flash on it, and it's just.
I brought them, but I found I've lost a lot of fish.
Oh, you do, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, time to get a big fish.
That's another 8-pounder probably. Another 8.7. 8 pounds, 7-ounce fish. Hit on the old Johnson Silver minnow gold. Beauty. That's 3 qualls in the last 25 minutes. All right, so early evening update for you. It's around 4:30, and the fishing's been slow the last 2 hours. We've jumped from bay to bay trying to find them. Fishing the outskirts of bays, fishing slow, fishing the insides fast. Just nothing seems to be working. Not even the little guys are biting. So it's a pretty cold day. I think it's only a high like 3 degrees or 4 degrees Celsius with like a wind chill of like -1. So we decided to do a little pit stop. A little bit of a shore fire. Enjoy a couple ice cold beverages of your choice. It's always a good idea. So we're gonna heat up here for next little bit, see if any of the other guys stop by, and if they do, then probably stick around for a little longer, and if not, get to fishing, and hopefully we can find a big cold water feeder, because we need one. We really need one. Alright, back at camp, steak night. Should be a great night, but it's day 2 of being terrorized by big old black bear. Yeah. He's stalking us up in the mountain. He was just on the dock. The rest of the crew is hanging out. Just trapped inside, but out for watch now. This big guy kind of's been messing with us big time. He pretty much took out our whole camp yesterday, so we're gonna get inside before he comes running after us, and then enjoy some steaks, hopefully. Alright, another morning close off of the prior day, so that's the end of day 8. Not much going on yesterday. A lot of cold water. It was freezing. I think the hottest we found in the bays was around like 45 degrees, so pretty chilly. So today's, I think ended up being a couple 15s and 14 caught, so I think the lowest to get on the board now is 14 pounds 7 ounces, I think. For the board itself, I think Wally grabbed a couple more points, so he's just kind of moving up in the charts. E grabbed a fish, I believe, so he's up there now too. So it's kind of the two of them going at it, and a couple people that are slightly behind but still in it. You never know, a big fish can change everything. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for some upcoming stuff, and yeah, thanks for the watch.